Hello everyone, welcome to the Crack You video series. Hope you are doing well with your preparations. Today we are here to discuss GK Current Affairs question for CMAT 2022. Please do visit our website crackyou.in and you can download the previous papers. It would be helpful for your exam. We are having CMAT crash course which include day-wise schedule covering all the important topics. The price for CMAT crash course is ₹1,999. Along with that, we are having CMAT mock, which is ₹299. Link is given in description. Please do visit and enroll for the packages for your better practice. Let's start with the first question. A savings scheme for women, namely Mahila Mitra Plus, was launched by which of the following banks? The correct answer is C, Federal Bank. So Federal Bank has launched a feature-rich saving bank product for women, and this scheme is called Mahila Mitra Plus and provides a curated set of features designed to make financial planning and investment easy for women. Let's check the next question. According to the data of RBI, which of the following states became the India's largest manufacturing hub? The correct answer is B, Gujarat. Gujarat has left behind Maharashtra to become the country's leading manufacturing hub. According to the data of RBI, Gujarat saw a gross value addition in manufacturing grow by 15.9%, which is between financial year of 2012 to financial year of 2020. Let's check the next question. RBI set up a committee on NUE, that is New Umbrella Entity licenses. How many members does this committee have? The correct answer is E, 5. This is the committee of 5 members under the chairmanship of P. Vasudevan, Chief General Manager. RBI has been directed to review license application, analyze macroeconomic impact and security risk in light of the proposed framework. Let's check the next question. HDFC Life announced to acquire Exide Life Insurance in dash. The correct answer is C, 6687 crore. So HDFC Life will not issue new policy documents to existing customers of Exide Life. So the two companies had announced the ₹687 crore acquisition deal in September 2021. Let's check the next question. India's first bio-brick based building opened at? The correct answer is D, IIT Hyderabad. So India's first building made of bio-bricks from agro waste has been inaugurated at IIT Hyderabad. So the sample building is made up of bio-bricks supported by a metal framework. The roof is also made of bio-bricks over PVC sheets to reduce the heat. Let's check the next question. Which of the following editions of Durand Cup started on 5th September 2021 in Kolkata? The correct answer is B, 130th. So it was the 130th edition. Let's check the next question. Vatan Prem yojana is related to which of the following states? The correct answer is C, Gujarat. Gujarat government has planned to undertake the public welfare project which is worth ₹1,000 crore and jointly with non-resident Gujaratis which have to be completed by December 2022. Let's check the next question. India's first emergency landing facility on national highway is available in which of the following states? The correct answer is E, Rajasthan. So, Union Defence Minister Rajnath Singh and Union Highway Minister Nitin Gadkari inaugurated the first emergency landing facility on a national highway in Rajasthan on 9th September 2021. Let's check the next question. Where is the headquarters of IAEA? The correct answer is D, Vienna, Austria. The full form of IAEA is the International Atomic Energy Agency. The IAEA has two regional safeguard offices which is located in Toronto, Canada and in Tokyo, Japan. Let's check the next question. Ken-Betwa River interlinking project is related to, the correct answer is C, Madhya Pradesh and Uttar Pradesh. So, it is the first project under the National Perspective Plan for interlinking of rivers. The Ken-Betwa link canal will be 221 kilometer long and including there is a 2 kilometer long tunnel. Let's check the next question. Select the odd one among the following option. The correct answer is A, Abdulrazak, Gurnah. Let's check the next question. Who inaugurated Kalpana Chawla Center for Research at Chandigarh University? The correct answer is B, Rajnath Singh. So, along with that, Union Minister also launched the Chandigarh University Defence Scholarship Scheme worth rupees 10 crore for the wards of defence personnel of the three services. Let's check the next question. Rashtra Raksha Samarpan Parv was held in which of the following places? The correct answer is C, Jhansi. Let's check the next question. The central government of India brought an ordinance to extend the tenure of ED and CBI director up to how many years? The correct answer is B, 5 years. Let's check the next question. Who launched the One Sun, One World, One Grid initiative? The correct answer is C, Narendra Modi. Let's check the next question. Which of the following became the first LPG enabled state? The correct answer is A, Himachal Pradesh. So, Himachal Pradesh became first LPG enabled and smoke free state of the country. Let's check the next question. Chalo mobile app was launched in dash. The correct answer is D, Maharashtra. Maharashtra Tourism and Environment Minister Aditya Thackeray launched the application, that is Chalo mobile application and Chalo smart cards, which will facilitate digital and advanced purchase of best bus tickets. And Chalo app will allow commuters to purchase bus tickets and passes through e-wallet. Let's check the next question. Cattle was declared as a state fish of which of the following states? The correct answer is C, Sikkim. The Sikkim government has declared Cooper Messi, the local name is Cattle, as the state fish. Let's check the next question. Which of the following countries test fired new hypersonic Zircon missile 2022? The correct answer is B, Russia. Russia successfully test fired around 10 new Zircon hypersonic cruise missiles from a frigate and other 2 missiles from a submarine. Let's check the next question. Which of the following was the first Gulf nation to open an embassy in Israel? The correct answer is D. UAE. So, the United Arab Emirates have become the first Gulf nation to open an embassy in Israel. Nearly a year after both countries signed an agreement to normalize the diplomatic ties. Hope the video will help you in your preparations. Please do like, share, subscribe and comment to our channel. Press the bell icon for instant notification. Thank you. All the best.